Hello, good morning to Sir Zaidul. Today I would like to share about modern wearing. First of all, I would like to introduce our group member. First, I want to introduce myself, Johnny Ong, Joel Valenis, Luis Anthony, Haris Saman, and Zoazi. The introduction for modern wearing is, in today's fast-paced, technology-driven world, the integration of modern wearing and breathing automation system has revolutionized how we manage the interact with our built environments. As breathing evolves into smart interconnect ecosystem, efficient wearing and automation play crucial roles in enhancing energy efficiency, comfort, security, and operational effectiveness. The type of modern wearing is: first, smart home integration, wireless communication, hybrid system, and last, fiber optic wearing. That's all for me. I would like to pass to Joel.
So thank you, Johnny, for introducing me. So I will continue this presentation. So smart home integration. Smart home integration refers to the process of connecting and automating various devices and systems within a home through a central network or platform, allowing homeowner to control and manage them remotely or through automation. What is smart home integration? Smart home integration refers to the seamless connection and coordination of various smart devices and systems within a home. This integration allows homeowners to control, automate, and monitor their home function through a centralized platform, often via a smartphone app, voice assistant, or dedicated control system. How it works? Using a central hub like Amazon Alexa or Google Home, homeowner can control the light, lock doors, set the temperature, and even monitor their security cameras remotely through voice command or smartphone apps. So this smart home integration devices. So this is for example of smart home integration devices. Smart thermostat automatically adjusts heating and cooling based on user preference and occupancy. And smart lighting control lighting remotely or automate it based on time, occupancy, or natural light. And a smart security system include camera, doorbell cameras, motion sensor, and smart locks that can be monitored and controlled from anywhere. So this is an example of smart home integration. So that's all from me. Thank you. I will pass to Haris to continue this presentation. Thank you.
Thank you, Joel, and good morning to Zainul. I will continue this presentation about modern wiring in building automation. In building automation that have a hybrid system. A hybrid system refers to a combination of different technology or methods that work together to achieve improved performance, efficiency, or functionality in various contexts, such as energy, transportation, and building automation. Hybrid system leverage the strengths of multiple components to optimize operation. In hybrid system, how it works? It works on solar panel, convert sunlight into electricity. They are typically mounted on the rooftop at house or in solar farm. Next is inverters convert the direct current DC generated by the solar panel into alternating current AC, which is used in most household appliances. For number 3 is battery storage. Store excess solar energy for use when sunlight is not available. For example, at the night or during cloudy day or rainy. This component enhances energy independence and reliability. The benefit of the hybrid system: flexibility and scalability. Hybrid system allow for easier expansion or modification of the building automation network. Second is cost efficiency. With hybrid setup, you can choose wired connection for high demand areas and wireless for less critical or hard to wire spot, reducing installation and maintenance costs. It costs less than before because the maintenance is not expensive. And next, number 3, ease of installation. Wireless component reduce the need for complex wiring in challenging location and saving time and effort during installation or renovation. For the example, number 1, solar panel, number 2, battery, and number 3, electric grid. From this source, you can go to the inverter that invert and convert to the electricity power to the home appliances. That's all from me. I would like to pass to the Diesel Haziq. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Haris. Good morning to Sir Zainul. I will continue this presentation about modern wiring. First is fiber optic wiring. Fiber optic technology plays a crucial role in modern wiring system, particularly in telecommunication and data transmission. Here's an overview of fiber optic in modern wiring. What is fiber optic wiring? Fiber optic wiring consists of thin strands of glass or plastic fibers that transmit data as light signals. This technology is used for high-speed data communication and is increasingly replacing traditional copper wiring in many applications due to its advantage in performance and reliability. Benefits of fiber wiring. First, high bandwidth capacity. Fiber optic cables can transmit large amounts of data over long distance at high speeds, making them ideal for internet, television, and telephone service. Second, durability and resistance. Fiber optic cables are more resistant to environmental factors like temperatures, fluctuations, and moisture. They also do not corrode like copper cables, leading to longer lifespan and lower maintenance. Third is smaller size and lighter weight. Fiber optic cables are thinner and lighter than copper cables, making them easier to install and manage, especially in complex wiring environment. This is example of fiber optic wiring for modern wiring. That's all for me. Thank you. I will pass it next to Luis.
Okay, thank you to Diesel Haziq. Good morning. My name is Luis Ana Anthony. Today I want to continue present about modern wiring. I want to continue about wireless communication. Wireless communication is the building automation system. BAS enable seamless connectivity and control of device without the need for intensive wiring. What is a wireless communication? Wireless communication refers to the transmission of information over a distance without use of physical connection, such as wire or cable. Instead, it relies on electromagnetic wave to send and receive data. This technology has become an integral part of modern communication system, enabling connectivity in various applications from mobile phone to smart home device. Benefit of wireless communication. First, mobility.
User can communicate without being treated to a physical connection, allowing for greater freedom and flexibility. Second, convenience. Setting up wireless network is often quicker and easier than wiring harness, reducing installation time and cost. Third, innovative application. Wireless communication is essential for advancement in the field like a smart home, telemedical, and autonomous vehicle. Want to show the example. And the conclusion, in a conclusion, modern wiring in building system play a critical role in sensing, operating, efficiency, energy management, and user comfort. As a building evolve into smart environment, the importance of revising wiring solution become increasingly clear. Properly design and implement wiring system facility easy and scalability, ensuring that BAS can adapt to the future technological environment. Okay, this all from me. Thank you.